this is the bird cage. It's pretty tall. My budgies love it. It's also easy to move around. So if you need to clean, that's a lot better. Plus the cage underneath for your fixins is pretty good. The only thing about the assembly was that the wheels were kind of hard to put on. And one of the bars on the side, I don't know if you can see this, it came like that. So, I don't know. Either way, it's really nice. My budgies love it. I would get it again.